It's Erica with C Squared Farms. Finally getting some sunshine. I live on sunshine, guys. We have got nothing but rain. I actually was off work for like 6 days about a week and a half ago, and every single day it poured rain and I didn't get hardly anything done outside. Our grass needs mowed, the garden needed tended, and the chickens, well, you can just say the chickens are tired of the rain. While I'm out here catching up on the farm chores, I decided that I would bring out this bag finally. Like I said, it's been raining and raining, but we finally have a pretty day, so I wanted to bring out the bag of the Black Soldier Fly Larvae that we got from GRUBTERRA. They actually sent us this bag for free to try to see if our chickens would love these bugs and how well the protein and the calcium helps them. So I've raised chickens for a long time, 9 years to be exact. I never really knew, to be honest with you, that mealworms had less calcium than the GRUBTERRA Black Soldier Fly Larvae. That's a lot to say in one sentence. But anyway, I was reading about this and trying to get some knowledge here, and it says that there is 75% more calcium in these than there are in mealworms. Also, it says that GRUBTERRA and our partner farms feed our Black Soldier Fly Larvae pre-consumer food waste from supermarkets. Every 1 pound of GRUBTERRA's dried Black Soldier Fly Larvae equals 20 pounds of food waste saved from the landfills. I love that. What a great way to recycle the food that's spent. I mean, we give our leftovers to our chickens, and I just love it. If I see food, vegetables and things like that at the supermarket, and it has a label saying, please help us with food waste, we have discounted this, like those things I typically will get, and I will make a use of them. And so that's great. I love that they do that. These also have a really high crude protein and crude fat percent. The 34% minimum for crude protein. The crude fat is 32% minimum. Crude fiber is 12% max. And you've got your phosphorus, moisture, ash, things like that. So, I mean, that is great. You can't ask for anything better than that. So all of those things are going to help your chickens produce healthy feathers. It's going to help them to have stronger eggshells, and they're farm raised. But also your yolks of your eggs should be like really orangey yellow because of all of the protein and the healthy things in here. I cannot believe it. That is great. I love it. So they sent us a 1 pound bag. That's a good sized bag. It'll last us a while with all of our chickens. And I told them I would give them an honest review. So we'll see how these go. Let's go give the chickens some of these lovely bugs. Also forgot to add that you can give these to your chickens, your reptiles, your birds, and fish. You can see my muddy babies here. They're finally starting to get a little unmuddy, but they are enjoying these GRUBTERRA Black Soldier Fly Larvae. So these are chickens that are in pens. I'm gonna also give some to the ones outside too, but it looks like the black copper morans are enjoying them. Yeah, you guys need them the most, huh? You and our silky babies. You're welcome. I love how they talk. You're welcome. Start throwing bugs, and all the chickens that come a running. Here, guys. Come on, baby blue. Come on, baby blue. Chick, 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 chick. That's the Clay. She's a Seth Blue to Clay. Bantam, and all of these little young chickens running around here are as big as she is almost. They're about 6 weeks old, I think. These are our grow outs. Some of the mamas. Well, come on. Bowser decided to join us for the snacks. I mean, I'm gonna say it looks like everybody loves them. Come on, Big Blue. Come on, Big Blue. Looks like Big Blue's enjoying them too. Are you handsome? You gonna share some with your ladies? Bowser, are you being salty? Are you being salty, Bowser? Because I won't let you over there to Big Blue? You let him have some snacks too. Isn't she the prettiest? Pretty girl. So I'm gonna say it's a win-win. They seem to like them, so I hope that it does help their eggshells and all the protein and give us some nice yummy yellow eggs, because you know what? Nothing's better than a farm fresh egg. All right, back to work. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. We'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.